Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. In this video, we will design our Fxml. In the last video, we learned the basics of AreaChart. Now let's go to the demo and create the Fxml. So in the previous video, we created the line chart example. Now we will create a new empty Fxml, and we will name this as FX032 AreaChart Example, and we will accept the default controller name. Alright, now we will open the Fxml. Now we will go to chart and drag and drop AreaChart to anchor pan. We'll expand it to fit the width. So just selected the area chart, and under the properties, setting title as stock market of A and B. That means here we are comparing the two products, or this is the chart for two series A and B. Title which is appearing in the top of this chart. Next we will go to layout. Layout text, we will set it as 14. That means here we are setting the gap here. Let me hit enter so that you can see it. So this is the gap now. Layout X, in X we are seeing a gap of 14. Layout Y, we will give it as 42. Okay, here it is. Layout Y is 42. Preferred width, we will give it as 800. And preferred height, we will give it as 400. You can change it as 600. Now let us set properties for category axis. Category axis in the bottom, let me select it here so that you can see with the grippers which one is category axis. So these grippers tells you where the category axis is. So category axis is selected here. Now we will go to the properties, and here we will specify year 2023. So now you can see the label here, year 2023, stock market of A and B for the year 2023. That's what x-axis specifies. Next we will pick number axis. So month we will add at runtime. Here we are going to number axis, just selected that. So we will say closing price in dollar. So here you can see the title, closing price in dollar. So that's the y-axis, and x-axis is year 2023. We will set lower bound as 10. So at present it is showing 0, right? Lower bound is 10. Minor tick count is 5. That means between 10 and 20 there will be 5 tick count. I am reducing it as 1. Now if you see 1, 2, 3, there are 3, and including 30 it will be 4. So that's the minor tick count. Upper bound at present it is 100, right? So we will set it as 60. Or we can even go for 50, so that up to 55 it is shown, but marker we can do at this 50 level. So we will go with 16. Tick label gap. So we already saw this in the line chart also. You can see the gap will get increased so that it will not merge with this closing price label. So 0 is here, right? Let's remove this force 0 in range. So if you see lower bound 5, so lower bound is 10, right? So the axis is not starting from 0, I mean the y-axis scale, but if you state force 0 in range, then the lower limit value starts from 0. So we want to start from we don't want to start from 0, so we just remove this. So that's all here. We will save it, and that's all. We will save it, and we will add the month number from next video onwards. So that's all here in this video. So if you see whatever property we set, that's recorded here in the Fxml file. That's all here. Thank you for watching. Bye.